In this video, we are going to see how we can group and ungroup the particular rows or columns in Google Sheets. So let's say that you have an extensive set of data with hundreds of columns, thousands of rows, and you have different headings starting after the completion of each month or after the completion of each department. And you wanna make a summary of that information, or you wanna create a group so that you can drill down, click on the minus sign or plus sign to expand or collapse those fields whenever necessary. So you can easily do that by using the grouping and ungrouping function. Let's try it on rows. So for example, I have certain information like for all the electrical equipments or a couple of equipments till this, or let's say motors. I just want to highlight all of them and then I want to group them. And what you can do is just right click on this and click on view more row actions and click on group rows 7 to 12 or whatever you have highlighted. So what this does is, let's say that we want to just hide the motors for now. You have the expand and collapse option on the left. So if I collapse this, I won't be able to see this information, but whenever we need that information, we can easily expand and collapse this. So this will be very handy if you want to, let's say, make some categories according to certain types. You just right click on this, go to view more options and group the rows. So whenever the information is needed, you can just expand the relevant information and you're good to go. Similarly, for the multiple columns, like I said, that if you just want to hide extensive details for the timing, what you do is just highlight the couple of columns that you want to group together. Just highlight this, right click on this, go to view more column options or actions and click on group columns, and similar option can be seen here. We are also going to see it in much detail on how you can effectively apply this once we have a lot of data in the future. And by the way, guys, whenever you want to, let's say, ungroup this, just highlight the similar columns, right click on this and go to view more actions and click on ungroup and you are back. Similarly, if you want to just ungroup the complete sheet, just select it from the corner right here, click on view more options. And from here, we don't get this. So let's select the relevant rows, go to view more actions and ungroup rows. So this is a little bit of introduction about the grouping and ungrouping in Google Sheets. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.